Hi everyone, this is Zane, and I'm gonna go to this little village and give me this pickaxe. I think I'm gonna die now. I hope I do not. I hope I find out. I just got frozen. The whole world got frozen. No, not this world, the Minecraft world. And I got a stone pickaxe. Okay, I cannot find a blacksmith. If I can't, I'm so angry. Let me go into my inventory first. I just got an achievement. That's an easy achievement, guys. And my name is Zane DTT. I think you guys already know. I need to hide somewhere. Let's go hide over here. There might be a spider spawned in here. So first we're gonna make one set of sticks. But I'm gonna show you how to make a sword. Okay. I want to tell you guys that I actually have been practicing making videos for no reason when I don't need to. Let me put this next to my sword. You like facing me?
20 seconds.
Okay. Guys, I cannot find what you call it? A blacksmith. But when I do, I'll make a video. If I can't, then no idea. So I cannot find a blacksmith, so that's the end of the video then.